Morning. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I specialize in medical hypnotherapy, guided visualization, nutrition, and exercise. My website being drmedicalhypnosis.com. Today's health tip is entitled Holistic Treatment in the Prevention of Breast and Prostate Cancer. As we near the end of Breast Cancer Awareness Month in the United States, culminating next Sunday in the Komen Foundation Run or Walk, which is held throughout the United States, I feel that to inform my viewing public how one can prevent breast and prostate cancer in a holistic fashion. Breast cancer and prostate cancer, when it rears its ugly head, those two cancers are the most common that we see in the United States, followed by lung cancer and colon cancer. To treat it, the cancer itself, is one thing. How about let us do preventative medicine, prevent the breast cancer and prostate cancer from developing. This is the recipe. Firstly, take 5,000 units of vitamin D3 every day after your main meal. It must be D3 and not D2. Secondly, drink 4 to 5 cups of organic green tea every day. Do not add sugar or milk to the tea, as that's counterproductive, and the antioxidants called catechins cannot leach and are destroyed if you put sugar and milk in the tea. Make sure that the green tea is organic, that it doesn't come from Asia, because all their products from Asia are polluted and toxic. Next, eat 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of ground organic flax seeds. The flax seeds must be ground, as if you eat them whole, they just pass through the system. So it's vitamin D3 5,000 after the main meal, 4 to 5 cups of green tea, and 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of ground organic flax seeds. Always eat a nutritious diet that is filled with antioxidants and polyphenols. They come mainly in the fruits and vegetables that we eat. Always try and buy organic if possible to reduce the toxic load on the body. And the deeper the pigment of the fruit and the vegetables, the better. Dark berries contain one of the highest antioxidant level of all food, especially blueberry and blackberry, but all berries are healthy. The fruit and vegetables should be eaten with always a protein, because you don't want to get a sugar rise as a result of just eating the fruits by themselves. If unfortunately you or a loved one suffers breast or prostate cancer or any other type of cancer, please invite them to visit my website, Dr. Medical Hypnosis, for the cancer video, the stress video. There are many. In the blog section, there's a great deal of complimentary medical and health advice. If I had to say to you that the mind causes cancer, you will laugh at me. Most physicians do. Patients don't so much, because they are prepared to listen what I have to say. Chronic stress, ongoing chronic stress and guilt can cause all types of cancer, and mainly breast and prostate cancer, because that's the most common and commonest type we find, the common type we find in the United States. How does hypnosis work? And how does guided imagery work to help prevent and treat cancer? It works through a system called PNI, psychoneuroimmunology. Psycho meaning the mind, neuro the brain, and immunology is the immune system, which consists of white blood cells called killer T and killer B cells, and the immunoglobulins, which is the immune system in one's serum. When one is stressed and depressed, chronic guilt, through PNI, the immune system becomes depressed and the disease or cancer emanates. If people do not have chronic stress or guilt, the immune system becomes elevated and you don't develop the disease. Even if you do have the BRCA gene, BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes for cancer, you might have it, but you might not necessarily develop cancer if your immune system is high and if you are happy and you don't have psychological issues. The converse is also true, and it holds good for prostate cancer, which has also a genetic basis. If a man's father or uncle has prostate cancer, or if his mother or sister has breast cancer, the male has a greater chance of developing prostate cancer. Friends, there is so much more on my blogs that even if you don't utilize the hypnosis videos for cancer, stress, anxiety, etc., chronic pain, that is not important. What is important is you visit my blogs, where there's a wealth of health and medical advice. I always tell my young patients, take care of your body when you are young, and your body will take care of you when you are old. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this YouTube video health tip.